What's going on? Apparently Snap is going nuts. I mean, it is, but I've been hoping for much more of a move to the upside. See if we can get this Wordle done real quick. Ugh. It's an interesting one. Broke. Rose. Let's go with broke. Which letters do I like better? Yeah, I don't like the Z. Wow. Okay. Snap is not actually going. I just don't like that there's no halt. I don't know, is there news on this?
Snap.
Thought that was it for sure. Oh.
Dash 0831 dash.
Yeah, buddy. You know it. Japanese. Sushi sushi.
Autofilled.
I missed that quick knee-jerk reaction there. So I have my unrealized off my screen today. You guys can see it, but I can't. I missed it. It went right back down to like 50 something. Just missed it. Ah, crap. I can still see it on here. Oh, you know why? Because I never changed it. On there, but it wasn't there. Alright, well, it's gone now.
Nibble.
What was the news? Spike. 8K filing on program, job cuts.
Be sure to locky when it gives up, not a add thing, look at daily, is big co, etc.
I got such a good fill on that pop, and then I just straight up missed the that quick wick back down. Just keeping this one small for sure because pre-market. This thing is definitely holding up here though.
Out all for now, nice start to the day.
By soaking up some shares there.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
Oh, we were gonna get the breakdown there, but I was wrong. Alright, well, I'm not a fan of this now. Was kind of just looking to get out of it. Not to be patient, thinking closer to 12 for instead. Definitely not looking to get too heavy in this. Okay. Get the 11 tests at least. on my average to the penny. I mean, I was expecting it to try to bounce at 11, but was hoping it would maybe flush through after the 2 failed attempts to go higher. See, I keep trying to look at my unrealized. Can't see it, so that's the whole point. I put sticky notes over it, so I can't see it. It's crazy how many times I've already tried to look at it. Shouldn't matter. Guess we're gonna ride this one into the open. So it can give us the pullback right before. Ideally, we would hope. There's a lot of people that were maybe in this from yesterday that saw this, and now they see this, so they're gonna want to sell pretty quickly, but we'll see. Here we go. Well, that wick wasn't real. Looking for the shove down through 11, but
Order filled.
Dollar.
Congratulations.
morning, good luck.
S is going a little bit.
Huh?
S.
What was that? I don't even know what that fucking is anymore. It used to be Sprint.
Sentinel 1, whatever the hell that is.
You get out of snap for a small win.
Yeah, I mean, I only had taken a nibble on it anyway.
Oh, okay. I
Hands
wasn't
up.
sure where you'd started. They just said your average was like 1106.
Yeah, I had my take profit at 92.
PDD, Jag.
Ghetto, it didn't fill me, and I had my
And
order
and
out, so
wants
there's
to
no
go,
way it
but
was real.
Just won't go.
I missed S, but it had no volume.
Me too.
No one
got
Somebody tell me what S is. That's not Sprint anymore, right?
It's Sentinel 1. I don't know what that is, but
What the fuck's that? I haven't traded that. Well, I didn't trade it when it was sprint, but now whenever I hear S, I just think sprint, and I'm like, I'm not trading that shit. I don't know what's going on my chart, but I can't even get Futu to look right.
Some sort of security software.
BA Boeing out with a
Yeah,
press
okay.
release now. Wins
Oh,
key
'cause
missile
Futu
defense
doesn't look right,
contract.
that's why.
That's Bravo Alpha.
That fucking spread is nasty on us.
Yeah.
Futu. Spread is nasty on Futu.
Look at Chewy's hiking a little bit.
I'm like, I got Chewy out, man. I'm looking at it do this shit. What's the spy doing? Just spy's fucking dying. Spy's getting raped.
I really wanted Chewy to pop through 35, stay there for a little bit.
Kinda liked it at 36.
Why would I like
that
that?
was a
Just looking GDT.
But I was
just
being
looking.
insanely greedy with that one because it was supposed to go down on my head.
And there goes
Guess I
Chewy.
should have held snap, huh?
Yeah.
I kind of had a feeling it might do that, but at the same time, I was not ready to fight snap.
Dude,
CHPT
yeah,
earnings.
I think it was ballsy taking it. I mean,
That was a pretty nice move, pre-market.
just pre-market right before the bell. I can't.
Charge point, maybe. If it could pop up here.
You never know what that bell does.
It's on earnings.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Oh yeah, I saw the charge point had earnings. Did that do something cool? Fuck, dude. I can't find anything to trade. I just tried to type in Oxy and I typed in some weird letters. Oxy looks like
Coming
it's
up at
gonna come
9:45,
down,
Chicago PMI.
but I fucking hate
Expecting
Oxy, too.
52.
Call him out, Jag. What are you looking at? Jeez.
I'm in Hutu.
ASTS.
Short?
Yep.
Good luck, sir.
I'm out of Hutu. I didn't like it. It should have stayed, but I didn't like it.
We'll tell you, I'm kind of bullish on Futu. It just doesn't have enough volume for me to even fucks with.
I should
Saying ASTS would have been nice. I didn't even see that one.
What is it?
Dollar on way.
ASTS. Nice pop. I mean,
can't-
volume isn't great, but look at that pop.
Dude, I'm
right
gonna tell you,
there.
alternate on
volume
a
is
circuit breaker.
shitty
November uniform was
everywhere
the
right
Echo,
now.
$1.39, up
Yeah, when I pulled it up, it was at
120%.
95.
On Nuelis, the company earlier
And
announced
UWE just
clinical
folded
data
up. We have no
demonstrating
shares on
100%
it.
survival in
And
its
it's
treatment
$1.
for postoperative coronary artery bypass grafting patients. That's November uniform whiskey Echo, $1.39, up 76
Good lord,
cents.
even these $4
UWE.
stocks have spreads today. What the fuck is going on
Okay,
today?
do you have a imbalance on NUE? NUWE?
144.
You got no shares, bro.
What was it me asking?
Who was asking?
Tom.
Okay. We had shares in that actually when it originally moved
Carrot.
to pre-market.
Got some of that too? How did it get that?
Ay, ay, ay.
He chased it when it was
Fuck me.
down a whole dollar.
Alright, Arthur, I'm shutting the store, bro. I'm checking the door.
There's BHC, but it needs to move a lot more to make it worthwhile.
Kind of the story of the entire market today. You got
BHC up.
anything even
Still
remotely
needs
nice
speed.
looking up, Thomas?
Watching charge point.
What's that?
You got anything nice up?
No, negative.
Yeah, this is really shitty volume today. Maybe the market's reaction to the drop in the SPY, but
ASTS out all.
and this Futu I think is gonna go.
I'll leave it
but
alone for you, GDT.
Fucking volume is. Oh,
I was
shitty,
eyeing it,
dude.
but I'll leave it alone.
God, it hasn't hit 500K. CHPT needs a little more love. Over 16, I would assume.
Watching BHC. I was hoping for into the 70s.
Oh, dude. We got a lot of nothing happening right now. Two didn't hold that very well.
Futu just died a little bit.
I saw that. It's kind of right back down to this area that
I couldn't have done
ATXG,
that fast when I was in it.
IPO opening and halted on a
had
circuit breaker.
200,000 of volume.
Well, maybe that was it.
Add-in
I'm pretty
text.
sure it was you and one
Order
other guy
filled.
trading it.
BHC nibble.
It was you and some other dude.
Carrot.
BHC could get interested.
Took a
What's
nibble
that?
on BHC.
An uplisting
Charts
for
are loading up like
ATXG.
crap.
Uplisted from the
Mine
pink
too,
sheets.
broski.
Alpha Tango X-Ray Golf.
But I would need some volume somewhere here.
Netflix making a move. That thing doesn't even have a million volume yet.
Are you fucking kidding?
Netflix is up $10. Damn.
What did you say?
Netflix is up to over $10 today.
Oh, I thought you said Netflix was under $10, and I was like, what?
Just a
Hold
little.
on. I was about to pull that chart up. Netflix under $10 got interesting. Like, I think I should buy some of that shit. Alright, MGAM is dead. PDD is choppity.
I'm currently in
NUWE
BHC
resuming
and CHPT.
$1.45 the high, up about 120%. That's November Uniform Whiskey Echo.
I wanted BHC to
I
get.
am currently not in either of those. Or anything else for that matter.
MIMO was halted for news. ASPAN Networks was halted pending news.
EDD is spiking back up.
Help me out, Jack. I can't find anything to fucking trade.
Only potentially here is PDD short, but I don't like it where it is.
PDD was kind of like for short side. Held
Yeah.
up a little too well during that freaking market drop.
Yeah.
I don't think that wants to go with the market.
NUWE halted on a circuit breaker.
I mean, there probably will be shorts in it, but
I could see it
54
coming
now
back
at the
down
high,
to
up
69.
145%.
yeah, for sure. I mean, there could, like I said, there will be areas where it comes down, but
Yeah.
I think overall that's a pretty fucking bullish stock. Considering the market's death. Why are my charts not loading? I've had PDD up for I think 45 seconds and it's still not loaded.
It's over 70. So, you know.
I mean, I can see where it is. I'm just missing candles below it.
ASTSLNT.
I would like to take it here, but I'm not going to.
Oh, I did, even though I don't have some of the candles. Oh, they're there now.
I didn't see anything, but I'm taking it.
I
Did
could
you go-
see the candle it was on. I couldn't see the ones below it. I would like a pullback here to 69.40 would be cool.
One's definitely a lot slower than I would like.
Chart is fully loaded now. I can see the candles below it and everything. Pretty cool.
Well, that makes life a little better.
That was funny. I was like, literally, the two candles below it weren't there, but the one it was on was. And I was like, all right. Didn't want it to do that.
You still in it?
Yeah. I know. See if I can get a little more size.
Mine's over 400.
Fucking hey.
ADD. Right around here.
70.04.
JC halted on a circuit breaker. Juliet Zulu. Shares up 7.5% on JZ.
JZ 144 KTB.
Oh, man, I think it's going higher.
Chicago PMI 52.2 versus
going.
the 52 estimate.
Yeah,
Keep an eye on it.
there. Those with EHC.
FDA authorizing Moderna, Pfizer, BioNTech bivalent COVID-19 vaccines for use as a booster dose. For individuals 18 years of age and older.
And then BHC.
PDD the other way.
Order
Sun
filled.
up top. Which bias is on this bitch, but I don't know if I can go much higher than that. I'm taking it all out for now. I need that to chill out. What are we watching, guys?
I'm in BHC. I think Tim is too.
Ooh. Futu ripped.
Yep.
Almost. You still on CHPT or did you get out of that thing?
WHO's lead on
No, I'm still
monkeypox
in
says
both of
don't know
them.
how much monkeypox infection is transmitted through semen.
What's the other one that you're in?
Says we are seeing few cases of women and others who may have
BHC and
acquired
BHC and
monkeypox through
CHPT.
different route of transmission rather than established physical.
These aren't running together, are
physical
they?
contact.
I don't know what BHC is.
It's a health company.
Yeah, it's a health
Okay.
company. So I'm gonna say no.
So probably not.
Oh, it's
Shares of Sega Technologies,
probably not
monkeypox related issue, ticking a bit higher, $15.80, up 30 cents. That's San Diego
fucking
Golf
PDD,
Alpha.
man. I'm basically break even on the day, which is annoying as fuck, but oh, and PDD is ripping. Fuck. Stick with the trade, you fucking piece of shit. That's a tough
A
one, man.
DWAC.
Frickin' flip biases mid-trade.
Newsmax tweet, Devin Nunez.
Utu's still going up.
Truth Social is growing like it's never grown before, especially since the raid, but we've never stopped growing. That's from Devin Nunez, the
What's going
CEO
on?
of
Utu?
Trump Media.
Yeah, no, I knew that was gonna go up.
That's
I even
Delta
told you it
Whiskey.
was going up.
Alpha
I just had
Charlie.
no volume, man. I can't fucking figure this shit out with no volume.
Shares of Digital World Acquisition,
Want to take them?
Order filled.
merger partner of Truth Social, getting a pop here, 25.44.
PDD needs to have a fucking break,
That's
dude.
Delta
before I
Whiskey
can
Alpha
get it again.
Charlie.
Sorry GDT.
I want it long, but
CHPT
I want it
nibble.
to come down. Which might mean it might be a short eventually.
It will probably own me again.
This BHC cannot be a low floater, is it?
BHC is 305 million. I have.
That is not low. Looks like it's not that high of a float, but it is cheaper. Wow, PDD, you need to come back, bro. Jesus. What'd you say you're in, Jag?
BHC.
Fucking hell, look at Futu. One day, dude, I'll learn how to
SHPH,
trade.
IPO for today. Shuttle Pharmaceuticals, open for quotation, priced at $8.13. 1.2 million shares. Sandy Hotel, Papa Hotel. RBLX Roblox, the September 23 $48 calls above the ask. Romeo Bravo Lima X-ray.
BHC added and now waiting. RKLB up.
NUWE halted again on a circuit breaker. November Uniform Whiskey Echo. Shares are at the highs, $1.78 up 182% on NUWE.
Curious what you got your average to on BHC? $6.04 at moment.
Jay-Z
Like at
resumes
B1.
trading.
Oh, shit. Just kind of slammed Futu. Made some already.
CHPT dollar.
SONY, India's initial antitrust review of Sony merger finds it is appropriate to conduct a further inquiry. That's Sandy Oscar, November
They
Yankee.
don't want to take half of split. Need the breakdown.
Alright, some more on Futu. Anybody else getting this one with me?
No.
CHPT out all, not great average.
No, Futu. Piece of shit. Don't go back up. Throw up the magical fibs on us. And it's bouncing off of it so far.
Careful there, big co-earnings.
Order cancelled. Order
I'm
filled.
taking it off.
Yeah, took it off B/E myself, annoying one.
Take a little more off here just in case it holds.
Covered some on BHC.
Making more on food too. HC was a tough one. I just didn't have a plan on that one. Threw up some fib lines on it, but I don't really like them. So I sit on hands. About to make the move that'll give me a good fib line
I just got
and hopefully get you guys some money.
Not me.
NUWE shares resume
well,
trading.
my average was
Calling another
621,
halt.
so
Shares hitting $1.85 now, pulling back.
You
a bit.
already out of it, Tom, or is your
No, I
average
just
lower?
it's
BHC
way
dollar.
lower. I just didn't get an ad, and look at it, it's just straight down. So I'm not. I never even got a chance to get an ad, and now it's probably gonna come right to my average and bounce. My average is shit. I'm at 87.
Oh,
let me give it to you. I thought it was going to
just
stop
never,
at 20.
BHC dollar on
just
web.
never gave you that nice move up to get you more
Order
shares.
cancelled. Order filled.
Well, no, I was gonna add on what I thought was the backside, but
Oh,
I
you
was getting out of
fucking piece of
CHPT as that last
FFHL
624 area
halted.
broke. That's probably where I would have added,
Foxtrot Hotel Lima.
but I didn't. And look at this, it drops right to me. I took half off there for basically break even. I screwed this trade all up. I could have added up there and it would have been a pretty nice trade.
SHPH shares are now open.
Do I want to add into this or just get the fuck out?
IPO
didn't do either.
21.65.
Bitch.
While high was $25. Opened at 24.05.
Frizz.
I fucked that all up.
I
And I
couldn't
didn't
figure
fuck
out
it
what to
up.
do
I just
fast
didn't get the
enough, and now I
ad,
don't know what
which
to
I
do
guess
at all.
is
Alright, I'm out.
partially a F up.
Decent win though, guys. Decent win. That one felt pretty good. I think popped like fucking stupid though. Futu might run, Jack. The way that just popped on me,
Yeah.
that might run. That was a straight fib line trade, dude. That worked
SHPH
very
halted
well.
on a circuit breaker. Shares are at the lows, $19.85.
DHPT. You're out of that one, Tim?
Yeah, I took that one off, basically break even. I had an order at 1630, just never got down there. And then my average was 55,
Be an
so
asshole and grind higher to me, doesn't you?
I sure hope not, because Thomas is in it.
Well, Thomas is
Not a
dominant.
BHC. I took half of CHPT off at a loss. So 55 tasked me out on the other half. I'm going to try and work
Okay.
these.
So you're just fucking with this one.
Just fighting. Average is 1635.
Oh, dude, your average is right here. You doing a hating?
Well, he
Yeah, I
said he
only took
took
a
half
10%.
off.
I took half off at a loss. I'm just not.
Yeah.
It's not doing what I want, so I got to start
Yeah.
finding my way out.
Yeah.
And I'm not.
You do. There you go. Yeah, but I mean, dude, honestly, Because I think you were in that way lower, if I remember right. You did pretty good at getting your average up there.
Yeah, I was in at 1580. I started.
Damn. You got it all the way up to 1635. That's
Yeah.
alright. I didn't mean to say shit, man. I didn't
No,
mean
no,
to
no,
say
no, no,
that.
no, no, no. I was fine. I was fine.
Okay.
They got a little congested earlier. I just muted y'all, but obviously it turned into what I didn't want, and I wasn't getting too convicted on it.
Awesome.
Order filled.
I got a winner on BHC, and I'm down $100 on a day after fighting CHPT. I'm happy.
That's fucking awesome. Yeah.
ALLK.
I mean, when I wasn't saying shit, but I was looking at both of those going like, hey, don't fucking like those stocks.
Dude, it bounced off my average. Look where it got to, 1636. But I'm not in this for a break-even fucking trade.
Yeah, no, dude, I do the same. Dude, I went red yesterday because I'm not in this to make $28 on a day. I said, fuck that bullshit. I'm gonna take another trade.
Nibble on ALLK, all K.
So like I told Jag though, yesterday was my red day, broke my streak. Now let's start another one, bitches.
Looking at PAG, then I realized it has no fucking volume.
Oh, CHPT is gonna be an asshole right now and fake out, dude. I got a feeling that just fucking faked out.
Yeah.
I honestly thought it was going higher, dude. I was looking at it for a long.
ECB, Supercom, low price stock popping here.
BHC.
Sandy Papa,
Damn it,
Charlie
dude.
Bravo.
What are you watching, Jag?
I was watching PAGS, but then I realized it has no volume.
And what did you nibble on, Tim?
All K, ALLK.
Yeah, that's oof. That daily, man. What the fuck?
NUWE,
It's a straight line.
resuming.
What is that? It's not do daily.
Alicos, I don't know what they do.
never heard of this
FFHL,
one.
resuming. Wave Films.
How many shares we got?
Order cancelled.
Decent amount.
Order filled.
Nope. CHPT said, fuck you. I did not fake out. I'm going higher.
Sure did.
I thought that was faking out there when it just went up and came straight down like that. Well, that should make you feel better, Thomas. It's back up. You're getting good at finding those and figuring out when they're just not for you anymore. Noticed that a few times in the last few weeks.
SHPH, resuming.
Keep this stock. I can't figure out CHPT like where I'd want to trade it. Long or short.
Right.
You did not take tags, I assume, Jag?
Crap morning.
And SHPH halted again.
Break even here. Fight here. This one, that's whatever.
NSPH? Is that what Charles
Shares
is
halted
halting?
At the lows, $19.35.
SHPH.
Still up
SHPH.
$11.23 from the offering price.
Brand new stock halting at the lows.
Yep.
Up 11.25 right now from the offering price. I would say that freaking that fun has died. Okay, 10. Making some money there.
Dollar.
Or at 53.
I'm not at 53. You're at 53.
Just saying that's where my order was.
I was hoping it popped 5, and then I was going to get in it.
You always say that. I think it's funny. Like we're all trading together.
Snap is back up to high a day.
Who is?
Doesn't snap, doesn't look pretty, but it's there.
I took off. Oh no, I didn't take it off.
Order
Okay.
cancelled.
I'm all out of
Actually,
BHC.
Order
I'm not
filled.
messing with that one anymore. Small loss, basically break even.
ALLK is working out.
If it would fill me, I even moved my order up. Now it's at 61. Nope.
And Maru's almost back to high a day.
Ooh.
Baru.
Oh, I haven't heard of that one in a few weeks. Ugh, that chart looks like trash, bro.
I'm not taking it. I'm just letting you know.
He's like, I'm not taking it. I'm just telling you where it is, all right? Dude, I traded fucking. I will say this though, dude. I traded that stock with decent share size, considering the fact that it was well, it's two. It was two. What's the word I'm looking for? Two shorts there at the same price, basically, but got 600 shares. I mean, not too shabby. Obviously, it would have been better if it was like 1,000 or 2,000 shares, but $50 stock, I don't think I'm ready for that.
X-Pack?
Food.
I don't think I'm going to like it. It's not loading anyway. So I don't-
CHPT looks like it's going to be a total asshole grinder today.
Nope.
I will say, I think PDD is setting up to go higher.
I think so.
I mean, look at this little consolidation, down move, but not really flushing. That's going to move.
I don't trust it though,
I'm going to keep my eye on it.
because it's PDD.
Honestly, the fact that this buy did what it did yesterday and this is all PTD did, I mean, that's pretty fucking bullish. I mean, think about this buy move yesterday. That massive ass dump. And PTD didn't even get below the lows of the previous day. Same thing with Futu. Although Futu did give up a little more yesterday.
Yeah. All case being an ass.
Nope. Just had my order a little too low, I guess.
You even moved it up, right?
Yep. Moved it to 61. It went down to 63. I couldn't win on this one.
Plug is making a little bit of a run. Almost a high a day.
Are you opposed to just like literally taking, like clicking the order, the buy button? As opposed to
I
trying to have it
do,
fill your
but
order?
it flashed right back up. And it was spready.
That didn't flat. I mean,
That
maybe a
moved
little
down?
bit,
It
but-
did, yeah. But then when
But if you
it
would've
came down
gotten
to
out at
63,
70 or
my average is 77.
oh, I thought you went at the top on that one for some reason. I gotcha. That's
More-
hard, man. I'm not good at trying to find small small percentages in.
The
I trade either.
BHC's actually starting to work.
You got a lot of that though, didn't you?
Yeah. Of course I did. That's why it's working.
Press release now. Pfizer and BioNTech granted FDA emergency use authorization for Omicron
Okay, just what came out.
BA4,
Bounced on your
BA5
average.
adopted bivalent COVID-19 vaccine booster for aged 12 and older. That's Papa Foxtrot Echo and Bravo November Tango X-ray.
Annie, what's my charts doing?
BNR earnings.
Looks like Futu might be getting a little heavy. R is interesting, but there's no volume.
What stock, Jay?
DNR. Low. There's only 284K volume.
No, I haven't look at that.
Order filled.
HPT finally coming down a little bit, but it didn't give any reason to get in.
Order filled.
Did you say you're in something?
Order
Tom?
cancelled.
Shit, I did math wrong.
He's still in ALK.
Alright. Watching Futu.
Order cancelled.
I gotta get better
Not
at
too
those,
far
man. The
away.
volume was so light though. Like I really did think that was gonna go. but
SHPH, IPO
I
resuming.
don't know why I can't show some
Penny
money at
Hotel,
it.
Papa Hotel.
Order
$16.10 now. All those up 99%. SAH.
This is why I should have cut. I could have got back in and have a great average right now. Instead I have a shitty average because I'm an idiot.
Yeah. He's trying to go for it. That really isn't sucking me in either, though.
NTAP, NetApp, and BMW VMware strengthen global partnership.
GDD.
I'm in ALK now, but my average, my 523 average.
SHPH halted again.
Order filled.
Now at $18.30. Up 125% IPO.
Yeah, okay, it's kind of getting interesting.
Out of BPALLK.
What'd you say your average
Are you
is?
kidding me?
538 now.
Forced to wait.
David said he just ran into buying power issues on it, so I guess be careful with that too.
Well, won't affect you, Jag, but per se. And that's kind of scary because it's a $5.78 stock.
Yeah.
So what the fuck does that mean? Like we have like 200%, 300%? On this PDD, but it's not working out right for me. Off right now, I'd be all right.
Order filled.
Figuring out how to pick them.
Why is PDD always so freaking difficult?
WULF, TerraWolf announcing amendments to its Nautilus joint venture agreement with Talon Energy. That's Whiskey
Order
Uniform Lima
cancelled.
Foxtrot.
I'm taking a little off in PDD because I just don't believe it. That's rep, you old fucking bitch.
I was just trying to get to like an even share number to make it easier up here, and I completely screwed that up. So these are like two smaller orders. But so it probably looks silly. In reality, these three are almost all one order. This one was probably not the smartest, but
Covered some.
Now a little bit more on PDD. Now let's see if I can get this break of 72 and make me feel good.
But had I cut it here, could have got back in. My average would probably be somewhere around here, to be honest. But at least it'd be
Got this
there
one
with
all early.
smaller share size. Wouldn't be feeling like such an idiot right now.
Got all out.
Good for you, man. Still hasn't even got to my average.
I got my average up to 55.
Nice. Yeah, mine's sitting at 38 like an idiot.
And they ended up way too big of what I wanted to be in, but it worked.
ALLK $$ leftovers.
PDD gets the rip, it might give you a short check. So let's hope I'm right. It gives you the rip. I think over 72, it gets a nice little push. Come on, just push.
Come on, don't make me say it, ALK. Don't make me say it. Prove me and Devin wrong. Prove Devin right.
Shares of Snap following their update, they're now
What are
hitting
you, up,
11.59 at the high of about 16%.
Just look at where
That's
it
sending
bounced.
the rubber alpha
Should give you a
papa.
good indication.
Yeah.
Damn it, I said it.
Sorry.
Fucking A, PDD, man. I took off
Woohoo.
another
At
50 shares.
GDG.
Dude, I'm down to 200 shares in this thing. I'm just having trouble holding on to these. Started this at 71.49 is my average.
Come on, you piece of crap.
She
Just die.
won. Is there news on that? ALLK?
Not that I see.
China's Evergrande Hengda Real Estate says it's unable to disclose 6-month financial report by August 31st.
27 days ago.
Yay.
I ran into buy power issues as well. I had to fucking jump out.
Okay,
Are you
okay.
kidding?
EasyIO, Vizio expands free
How
programming.
much did you end up
programming
getting
with
in
Scripps
before it cut you
Networks.
off? Just out of curiosity.
600 shares.
And it cut you off after
And it
600?
fucking cut me off.
Oh my god. What does it say on the S? I don't have that one up because I'm fucking in this. Oh shit.
Cut half.
Thought about getting back in right there.
I ain't touching it, man. Thomas can't even get 600 damn shares. I'm not trading the $66 stock with 50 shares.
Oh, it's not letting me either.
It's not letting you add?
Autofilled.
Not what I wanted to. I couldn't even get 600.
Oh my god. Arthur, stop looking at yourself.
I'll let you at 100, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you fucking piece of shit. All out.
Made me miss almost 15 cents though. Yeah.
Yep. You were in PDD again, Devin?
Yeah.
Hutu did the exact same thing.
I was down to basically leftovers there.
Order cancelled.
I was then 600 shares and I was down to 200, so that tells you how much I fucking believed in this pitch. When I fucking
Order
did
filled.
that tank, I just got the rest out. For a small loss, because it dipped right below me, son of a bitch. I'm done in this market. I'm not being too fucking. Oh shit! I'm glad I got out.
Yeah.
Wish I would have fucking shorted. As I'm taking a picture of it, it dumps another 30 cents.
I think like 625 or whatnot
I'm
is
green
my
trade,
stop
man.
here.
So fuck you, PDD. You're my bitch.
Kind of half expecting this to go up and test the highs. What it does up there, though, is, I guess, gonna be my fate.
If I wasn't taking profit there, she would have raped me in the bunghole.
All because I didn't take
bunghole.
off the small loss.
Oh yeah, look at her, dude. She's
Whether, no matter how
literally
this
just
turns
pounding
out,
me, but I'm
there's a
already
lesson
out.
to be learned.
You missed.
Do you have TP for your bunghole?
I don't have it. Well, I do. I do have TP for my bunghole. If I didn't, that would
It's
be.
a Beavis and Butthead reference.
I know, you dipshit. Jesus.
Well, you said you didn't know references, so anyway.
I know TP for my bunghole, though. Come on. TP for my bunghole. Oh my god, dude. Why didn't I short this?
Because you didn't see that coming.
Oh, I did not see that coming. What the fuck is happening? There's got to be news.
PDD, let me check.
I mean, this has got to be something. There's no fucking
Crude,
way.
a draw of 3.326 million.
26.
Just dumped
Gasoline, a
$2.
draw of
It just says 10
1.172
rebounding
million.
Chinese
Distillates,
stocks
a
and it's
build of
listed in it.
112,000.
That came out 26 minutes ago. And other than that,
It's got a new price target from $77 to 104.
So it's dropping?
No,
well, it went up.
their old price target was 77. Their new price target is 104.
Yeah, so why is it dropping? That doesn't make
No,
sense.
I have no idea. I didn't look it up. I just looked at the news.
Well, realize it went up from where it was. It went up from 67 to
Again,
72.
crude, a draw of 3.326
Yeah,
million
so
versus
that
a draw of
68,
1.483
72,
million
there's
expected.
that.
Distillates, a build of
Dude, this is how the
111,000
shit's
versus
been
a draw of
shorting. Like, you know,
960,000.
oh, fuck.
And gasoline inventories, a draw
Down
of
$2 now.
Oh my
1.172
god,
million.
dude.
That's slightly
I
smaller
almost
than
want to
expected.
short it, but I don't know how the fuck to get in.
Crude getting a small pop here,
I can't get in this.
$90.65.
Yeah, Hutu's doing the exact same thing, just not as big as on a bigger scale.
Need it back under 590. Get under these areas here. Just trying to hold that as support.
I figured out how to get in.
And cloud cover there.
So you made money on your PDD trade, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I was out the majority of it on the way up. I had 200 out of 600 left that I covered for a loss. I think I lost only like $28 on 200.
LYV Live Nation says Ticketmaster launching new capability to issue digital collectible NFTs to fans before, during, or after an event.
Oh my Lanta, I don't know what to do with this. I'm all out, dude. I
That's
made
Lima
another
Yankee
20 bucks. I
Victor.
almost made my loss back. Oh, I can't fucking hold that. Yeah, I told you, I figured out how to get in. You just click the button.
How's that how you do it?
I'm done trading that though, dude. For now.
Frey? F-R-E-Y? No, don't look.
Yeah, that looks like it was good to take the quick I was chasing that thing like a motherfucker.
BNR would have worked for 30 cents.
RIVN, Rivian,
National, but it's still got no volume.
Highway Transportation Safety Administration says Rivian recalling
And are you still
207
in this
vehicles on
ALOK, or
seatbelt
did you
anchor
dump it
issue.
because of the buying
National
power
Highway
issues?
Traffic and
Stop
Safety
a little over
Administration.
highs.
That's Romeo India,
stop's a little
Victor
over the highs.
November.
A little over the highs.
Okay. Well, I know you got an ad, but I know it wasn't what you wanted, but did it bring your average up at all? Where are you at?
A little bit. I'm at 52 now. I was at like 30
552?
something. Yeah, 552.
552. So you're right about here.
Oh yeah, I was
No,
at 38. I remember because it came down and bounced off
Belgium
me
reporting the
after a
first
Oh
second.
my
death
god, so
from
you didn't get a lot at
monkeypox.
all.
It only, I had 400 shares. It only let me add 125.
Are you kidding me?
Yep. It says withhold buying power on my thing, 11,583, but that's not what is showing, or that's not obviously not what is actually happening.
That's crazy, dude.
That's weird, especially because it's not an expensive stock.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's not it. I mean, it's $5.
Well, they
$6.
just, I guess once it started doing what it was doing, they immediately, I guess, pushed the button or whatever.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fucking stay away from that. That's even more reason why I'm staying away from $5-6 stocks. Fuck that bullshit, dude. I mean, I don't like them to begin with, and now they do that shit. I don't want to be a part of that shit. Literally, I mean, I've been saying I hate those stocks for a minute, and that just makes me want to never trade them.
Hello,
Just been getting into
motherfucker.
BNR.
Shit looking
And it's- it
okay.
had a
For a
14
W
cent
play.
On a $4 stock.
That mean he's going
With more
long?
volume.
I don't know what
But
W
it
play
popped, so I
is.
figured I'd get it. So it's something.
I mean, I'm out if it goes higher, so-
Holdings
Can't make any money.
resuming trade.
Is
So
Q2 a
Circuit
Chinese
breaker
company?
hold off the lows now,
Yeah, pretty sure.
$3.78.
But,
That's sending
I'm pretty sure that
November Tango Golf.
I actually do not know that information.
SNTG, Sandy November Tango Golf.
And I'm watching PDD for what it does here.
Yeah, I think so. It's like Hong Kong or something.
Called Wongdong?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that's not what you said.
Hong Kong Fui.
Called
Someone
Wongdong or
FUTU.
something.
FUTU.
FUTU.
Hopefully
Yeah,
he's
they're located
right
on-
by getting out because it's about to
And
die.
shares halted again
It's
on a
just
circuit
moving
breaker.
Thing.
On the Chinese bullshit companies moving up.
But I don't like how it's over 6 and just holding it. I mean, this has every
is
intention, it
halting
looks
over and
like,
over
to
again?
go to the highs.
SNTG
Good.
just. SNTG.
That's- Oh, yep, it is halted again on a circuit breaker. He's
SH.
not
Uh,
kidding.
Oh, SHPH just halted again. That one's halted a couple times throughout the day. That's a new one, I think, right?
Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna create an alert on this fucking stupid stock over here.
Yeah, SHPH is a new IPO that's dying.
I got an alert. Okay, never mind.
You know, it's weird. Oh, never mind. Oh, sorry, I'm lying. ATXG.
Just out of curiosity.
Oh, that's close to the limit.
523.
SNTG has been halted. For some reason, it was way down. It wasn't even at the top of the thing.
Yeah, what's that other one that Thomas is always...
Come on, Arthur.
Didn't even get down to
Yeah,
that.
ATXG is another IPO. This one's going up though, but it's halted again.
Arth.
The imbalance is $7 higher.
Go ahead, buddy. Go see. Alright, guys. PDD. If it does not hold here, I think it comes down more.
MULN, Mullen Automotive, hitting new highs now. 71 cents, up 12% on heavy volume.
And
Michael
the
Uniform,
P diddle
Lima,
diddle.
November.
P diddle diddle is dropping.
What are you at? Like just under 70?
70.05.
Oh, even better. That was a good call.
Out. Yeah. Every once in a while I have this. Looking for like 68.80, dude. Honestly. Why would it bounce before here? I took
Feeling
the
here it
50 then.
comes. Look at that, man. Every chance it has to go down, these people just buy it up.
I thought that was going to be a good one for you.
I did too. I was like, oh, maybe.
Go down there and stay there at least, then work its way down.
Yeah, I mean, it needs to break that 590 and then we might be in business.
What's the SPY doing today, Jack?
Down now. Down 28 cents for the day to 397.80.
I think
After it
I'm
went up
fucked.
to 125.
Yeah,
Jesus
this is
Christ.
definitely going higher. Jesus. And I should be out. No fill yet, weirdly. Still no fill. I don't know. Could that be a good
ALK,
thing?
Alicos, spiking to the highs at $6.31 now, up 48%.
Okay.
For Lima Kilo.
Good thing.
I would have canceled that order.
Well, it says it got the 631, but I'm at 626, and it didn't fill me.
Dude, that is fucking weird. Money on the
Wow.
way. Wow.
Come on. Give us the full move down. Fuck it.
It got me. I jumped in it.
Did you? Good. So you jumped in and made money on that drop?
I didn't. It jumped up and got me. I had it at high, right below high day.
Wait, it filled you for a stop, or you got into short?
SNTG
No, it was for a
resuming.
stop. I was already in at 6, and I put a range order in, and it filled it.
What were you at?
I had
$4.09 now on Sarah.
Like what price were
Actually,
you
I
at?
got filled at 613.
Oh, I was up at 626. That's confusing. I mean, as of right now, I'll take it, but I'm definitely confused.
NERV, Minerva
I'd be pretty
Neuroscience,
pissed right now.
$13,
That's
down
for sure.
1.5%. November
Jack,
Echo
tell
Romeo
PDD to
Victor.
die for me, please.
IPDD.
Thank you.
No problem.
Order
Ah, didn't
cancelled.
listen, you shitbag.
GDT is like, maybe you don't have enough buying power to cover your short. It's kind of funny. Wow, look at this. Go, keep going.
What the hell do that? Don't say die, Jack. Alright, I'm all out. I'm not. You went back up to me. Second you said die, that thing fucking popped.
Hello, motherfucker.
I won't say it again.
I'm
I do
out.
have the order there, right?
For the
It didn't
small
fill
one.
me? Wait, what is this order?
Unpredictable bullshit today, guys.
Was that just short?
Hey, okay, dude, what's your average, bro?
It was. No wonder.
It's right at his average.
Did you jump in again, Thomas? Because now you knew that 600, 500 shares or whatever was pretty much your max.
It's probably more of a revenge trade. I was pissed off at it, dude. That fucking hurts.
Autofilled.
Gotcha. Oh, well, I guess I'll post this one. You said I was pissed off at it. Honestly, you should be pissed off at IB for that shit. They've got to figure out a way to make that. What is? Does it say anything different on the site or on their platform?
Oh,
It says
come
we have 100%
on.
short margin rate.
Come on.
Damn, you're coming down to 438. Calm down.
Yeah, but it literally bounced off my order there. I mean, I'm
That's
trying
'cause
not
you
to
have a
look a
crappy
gift horse in the
average.
mouth here. I know, but
You would have had a better average if we would have given you the shares you wanted. It's just a fucked up sitch.
I know, but I'd be so much happier if it would have just gave me that fill, because then I'd be out most of my position and I don't have to worry about it.
Your average is 52.
51.5895.
52-ish.
S&P futures getting a pop here, 39.97.
Would definitely not let it go to highs.
No. I tried to get most of it off there, but literally I was on the bid, didn't get the fill though.
I don't think you're gonna go to highs, but I'm just saying that would be really a fucking kick in the teeth, wouldn't it?
Yeah, there we are again on the bid, no fill. Yeah, man.
Because your position's too big, bro. Can't fill you.
Autofilled.
There it goes. It gave it to me there.
Okay, good.
Finally.
And back up. What a dick. But now you're small shares, I assume.
Yeah, he's got 100 left.
Okay, cool. Tim, are you
Yeah.
somehow magically green on this day, even though it seems like every stock you've traded is trying to fuck you?
He
Yeah.
is.
I should be very red though. I'm so confused.
Because you tried to get out of high.
My order was at 626 and it never got filled.
It looks like that was the high. I mean, and literally. Oh no, it's 631, huh?
Yeah, that's why it doesn't make sense. Unless it had such
Yeah,
a spread for some reason at
but
that point.
it was so fast, and if there was a lot of shares sitting there, they might have filled some of the bigger positions.
And just skipped me?
Hey,
And if
you're happy about it.
maybe there was a bunch of shares sitting there. I mean, maybe they didn't have not enough buyers up there.
But the worst part is it was a market order. It's not like it was a limit order. It was a 626 market order to stop out all my
You would
shares.
think there wouldn't be liquidity issues with 20 million shares traded, but who the fuck knows?
Order cancelled.
Breakthrough 538 might be on a 512, maybe even 486.
Like 443. I might have high hopes.
I might have high hopes.
I don't know. Is this one of those pieces of shit stocks that just goes home? You guys said there's no news, so I think it just goes home. Like, if there's no news on this, why is it up here?
True.
mean, this thing has been a fucking piece of shit suck for quite a long time. And without news, I can't imagine it's now not a piece of shit stock. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
All out.
All out ALLK.
It was a win overall then, right?
I mean, yes, but no.
Probably missions and stuff like that. You're probably. How many ads? Oh yeah, you got a lot of ads. 8. So you're probably right at break even. Your commission.
Yeah, probably somewhere around there.
But a lot better than it was looking a little while ago. Be right back.
Felt like after such a huge drawdown, and we're right at that support from the last time, that it was going to attempt to bounce here, but knowing me, I probably just gave away free money, even though I just got some free money, so I'll be okay.
I jumped in it short, but I don't want to say anything.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like after the fake up through 50 there that this is probably going to go
Actually, I'm
lower.
all out there. I don't like that pop again. I made a little bit on that, but not worthwhile for me because small shares. I'm trying to get in heavy. And there it goes. Average right at 50. I got some out down there below 40 and took the rest of them all back up. But I'm not going to get too greedy with that one. I think it's going to end up at like 447, 450, but I'm not
Yeah, I
trying to do that.
mean, I think you're right, but the whole no buying power thing kind of sucked.
Yeah, it's and that's why I'm not even trying to hold it. I don't want to fucking try to size into it, you know. I don't think I can.
What a lot of work for no money today.
what just triggered for me? Yeah, today seemed like it was in the world of the pups. It was a lot of work, not a lot of fun.
What a miss.
Evan was in and out of all K, but
I was in and out of all K, yeah, and that was it.
You got in all
Did I
K.
push? Yeah. I was hoping it was just gonna break down there, but it didn't. I didn't get in heavy. Obviously, because I don't know how heavy I can get in, but we have so many shorts on it, and I think it's gonna go down to 450, but I also can't hold it because I can't add into it. I was just hoping it was gonna flush and go. Probably going to now.
Like, what the fuck you mean? Any lessons? I want to punch you in the fucking face.
Who are you talking to?
Do you have any shorts on Nerve? It's SSR, but
What is it? Nerve?
yeah.
I don't think so. Yeah, no. Did Thomas just come in and say he wanted to punch somebody in the face?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'm just making sure I'm not hearing things. Because nobody else said anything.
No, I chatting and ISW at the same time was more for Tim. Curious.
Oh,
Like I posted one of the charts and ran out of buying power. Okay, David comes. Any lessons today, boys? I'm like, the fuck are you talking about?
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense.
yeah, my lesson was freaking IB's fucking me in the ass.
Yeah.
for real. Well, I just don't understand that one. It's a $6 stock. You're
Yeah,
putting
it is.
300% on me.
Exactly. Yeah. I think if I wasn't mistaken, let's see. I should have been able to play that one up to 7-ish with my normal buying power and what it showed on the screen. But dude, that fucking sucks.
I think Nerve is gonna go absolutely bananas.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Like it's gonna go ape shit bananas, like 17, 20, 25, something crazy.
No new news either, so
I don't think it matters. Look at that fucking chart.
I'm just seeing if there was any reason.
Yeah, that one just, I think that is just a constant fucking push. Look at this thing. Put that up on the daily. That's gonna get some fucking boom from. Oof. I can't just jump in. Why am I a pussy?
FDA Commissioner Robert Caleb says updated boosters present us with an opportunity to get ahead of the next predicated wave of COVID.
What the fuck? Hey, boy.
All right.
All right, Thomas, I'll do the same thing in Discord. I got the eggplant ready.
Yeah, for some reason it didn't load up on my desktop when I clicked it just now.
This thing definitely looks like it wants to go lower now. I knew that was kind of a dumb stop out, but
Oh, that's
I was
a
not
fucking-
letting it go back up against me. That was crazy. I'm gonna have to watch that one back. There's definitely some weird shit going on that one.
White House says it's cautiously optimistic that things can continue to move in the right direction on
You
the
were green
Iran
on
nuclear
BHC,
talks.
right, Thomas?
Yeah, man.
I mean, Looney, I shouldn't have been green though. That's the thing. Shouldn't have been a good trade. I completely effed it up. Not effed it up, but I
Fuck
effed it
me.
up down here. But I should have got stopped out. But I would have held out anyway because there was still no. I was looking for the bigger pullback, but I didn't have any more buying power, so that's why I was gonna stop out.
Little nerve
No,
scout.
we haven't had nerve shares on. We haven't had nerve shares for a long time. So I will say, let me try zooming in a bit more. The highest print that I see on TOS over here is 623.104327. 623. Even though the candle says 631. But the prints, the highest print I see is 623.
Market droppin'.
Was really hoping this would just, I should have just used VWAP, I guess, but then I would have been red on the trade. No, I'm good. I'm good. But now I'm actually kind of mad because if it really didn't get to my stop, then I don't feel so lucky anymore. I just feel like I actually placed my stop where I felt like if it was a fake break, I would have been just high enough, which I was. But it doesn't matter. I still got lucky the fact that it dropped basically straight down like that.
Yeah, and then I gave it back another like $30 because I was trying the in and out thing on the tail end of it. I was like, maybe it's a descending triangle. Okay, you didn't give it enough room. Give it a little bit more room. Got a little bit better average when I got out. Oh, looking for that big ass drop.
Yeah.
And it
But
just
those
never came.
little $10 ones, I'm not pissed that I did that. You know, it was $10. I'm not pissed that I did that. pissed I ran out of buying power. That should have been a green trade.
Yeah, that's crazy, man. That shit is the crazy thing. I don't really know what to look at, man. CHPT's just been gradually coming down all day. What you looking at, Jag? Jag has left the building. I'm gonna keep ALK up just so I can see when it hits 450 and I can fry because I knew it was gonna go there.
Yeah, I never looked at my P&L, but I kept getting the warning screen thing popping up, and that's set for 300. So I knew I was gonna be over $300 because like as it was going back up to the highs, it kept popping that up.
You guys got anything up?
I'm watching back the trade real quick. I was trying to see what happened. I'm gonna watch the last price as it's going up. See if I see it ever actually print higher. But I went back and checked the prints and it said 623 was the highest. See if that's true. Also curious how much I would have lost.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, I don't know because on the montage I see it say I saw 630 flash. Doesn't make any sense. Maybe there just wasn't enough shares that went through above that price to fill me. But if it's a market order, wouldn't it start filling it under that? That's why I just don't get it. Like, shouldn't it activate the order and just fill it whatever it gets filled at?
I suppose on a market order you would get filled wherever closest to that price, right?
Yeah, even so, like it just executes. So if it goes up and starts to come down, like I would just get filled as it's coming down until my shares are filled. I mean, I see 25. Wonder, is there a way to slow this one? Let's see. So there's 24, 28, 27. I mean, I see thousands of shares going through and I see it printed at 27.
You should just take it as a lucky ordeal there, man. I don't think you want to call and be like, hey, I tried to get out here. You guys didn't fill me. Can you readjust this?
Right there.
I'd like to give you this money back.
Yeah, so I just freezed it and I see 630 as the last. That printed, or well, it says it printed, but the high still says 629. But even so, there it goes. It had changed 630 and then 628, 1-4 prints. and then there's a spread. But at that point, my order should have been activated. Yeah, I would have lost. Looks like $400, almost even. Wouldn't have been, you know.
Would have made a difference if your order was activated differently or later or earlier.
What do you mean?
Just because it's a market order and your thing goes through, it doesn't mean it's automatically triggered.
Why not?
Not if it's quick enough.
But it wasn't though. That's what I'm saying. It wasn't like a
I don't
flash
know.
of one
I'm only
order.
guesstimating.
No,
I'm
I
not
see what
looking
you're
at it.
saying. Yeah, I know. I see what you're saying. I'm just saying it's like it wasn't just like one print and then came back down. There was multiple prints for thousands of shares above where my stop price was. It's odd. So I don't know. I'll take it. I'm not gonna complain.
It's an odd occurrence. If it happens more, I get concerned.
You back using the bubble map?
Just testing it out.
I'm
They
guessing that
so
you have a million red arrows, and the green arrows are a little bit below the top of the red arrows. It's a good trade.
I mean, sometimes it depends on the size of the red arrows.
I know. That's why I never know if it's a good or a bad trade.
So Thomas, they have on Thinkorswim, you can get it for $40 a month instead of the $250 that you would pay for if you did it straight through them. You just don't get like a couple of features, but you get all the main stuff.
ALLK dollar.
That's crazy.
I wish I would have been
Woohoo.
more patient
At
on
Guru
those
David.
last shares. But I can now. I'm good. I'm good. I'm lucky. I'm lucky. I'm lucky. I'm lucky. So yeah, you can actually get it for free on Thinkorswim. Just open up support, hit create a ticket, and tell them you'd like to activate it, and you get Apple, Microsoft, and I think like one of the futures tickers for free, and it doesn't expire, and it doesn't. You don't have to do anything. You just ask them to activate it.
Really?
Yep, I learned this yesterday.
And you get the bubble map for free?
Yep, for those 3 tickers.
Oh, just for those free tickers.
Yeah, but for $40 a month, you get all tickers.
Weird. I don't really like that bubble map. I mean, I
It's
haven't been really
why
fucking with it.
it's why I put my stop where I did. Because there was a huge line. Yeah, there was a huge line of resistance there. Like there was orders at the highs, but there was even more right above the highs. So I put it right above those orders. So Devin,
Yeah.
do you have Charlie up?
Hold on. I don't know. Yeah, I do. Give me 1 second. Though. Somebody just.
Texted you more food pics.
Froggo, did they ever respond to you?
All out just to stay green on it. Wait, Evs, what a joke.
And I'm back.
No, she did respond. You should now respond to her with the food pic.
And very good. Period.
It would be really funny if whoever that was responded with a food pig. That would have been hilarious.
What were you gonna say to me, Bash?
I asked if you had Charlie up and you said yes, and then I said on YouTube question mark.
Yes.
Why?
Oh. That's where I listened to him.
Because going to Market Frog would be a change.
Exactly. Do you even fucking know me? Why do you keep acting like you don't know me?
I just
Like,
don't understand, bro. It's literally you would hear everything 10 seconds earlier. You'd hear everything even
well, what if
more of a
he's gonna
reason.
hack my computer by clicking on that link that I don't know.
There's
I don't
no
know Market
link.
Frogs.
There's
I
no
don't even know
link.
what this fucking dude is.
There's no link to click.
You're more
Well, there
likely
is.
to
I
get a
gotta click
hack
on
from
that.
your YouTube than from Discord.
It would, yeah. You
I
literally
read the Discord hacks are more common than anything. That there's a
That's
lot
'cause
of
people
hacks.
from
click
people that
links.
DM you and you click a link. Yeah, it's not from Discord's actual streaming service. Like,
Well, I don't know that, you fucking dipshit cocksucker.
So through a stream, it's very, very hard to get a virus.
Thank you,
It's
GT,
almost
for being
impossible.
a respectful, kind human being and not a little dick cocksucker like that.
I was just letting you know through a stream, it's very difficult to get a.
No, I appreciate you telling me
thing.
that. I don't know those
But
things.
you never,
I
ever,
read
ever,
something about Discord.
ever
Don't click on
click.
links.
Never click
Alright.
on a link from somebody you don't know.
if you're actually being serious,
And I
Devin,
don't know
then
Market
correct.
Frog. I don't trust him yet.
But there's
He
no
doesn't
link
tell
to
us
click.
his age or where he lives.
But there's no link to click.
Isn't that a link? Like just click on
No,
the
that's
thing or
not a link. That's part of Discord.
Okay, what?
So if you hover
Jesus.
over Froggo, whatever the rest of the name is, just see how it pops up the stream to the right of it, and then you would just
Yeah.
hit watch stream, and it pops it up, and there you go. That's all you gotta do.
Okay. So that's not clicking on a link though. Those
No,
things?
that's not a link. No, all you're doing is popping his stream up because he's streaming his screen and sound and everything. So
I
like
gotcha.
when Steve would come in and when he would do that, that's all he was doing. He was streaming whatever his phone.
Oh, I know. I
was
figured that, and if that was like a stranger, I probably wouldn't have clicked on that. But I know Steve. You know what I mean? Like Steve, I
Yeah.
feel pretty comfortable with.
No, yeah. So the links that you were hearing about are ones where they DM you and it's like, oh, Bitcoin, I'll double it, blah 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 blah. Click
Okay,
here.
Gotcha.
Yeah, don't ever click links in DMs. That's
I
where
don't.
they get
I don't
you.
click links
Yeah.
anywhere. I mean, clearly.
Frog.
I used to do that way back when it was probably good 20 years ago. I'd send emails to my friends for a program that would put cockroaches on your screen, but only when you would minimize a window, cockroaches would fly across your screen.
Look at all K, that piece of shit. I couldn't just do that without trying to retest through the $50. I couldn't just stop at the $50 and then do it. Fucker. Look at all those people that are underwater now, though. Souls. That's what you get for trying to pump a piece of shit.
Yeah, I lied about wanting to live in, like, loving this backyard. Anyway.
I love how Devin was like, oh, okay, that's how you do it. And then he just still didn't do it.
I haven't done it yet. I just got up to go make myself a cup of coffee.
I was just being
Even if
funny.
he does it today, tomorrow he'll still go to the YouTube link.
Yeah, just out of habit. No, yeah, I totally agree, Froggo. But
And don't take
if it's-
offense, man. I mean, once I get to know you, and if I ever feel comfortable with you, I feel different. But I am a non-trusting individual.
I think the other thing too is with what was I gonna say? Something about the 10-second delay.
I don't know.
Oh, I was just gonna say that you don't trade, like you're not trading, like you're not going to hear something and then jump in it because of news. Yeah. Like it's more of just a
Never.
thing. But I remember what I was
That's
going
why
to
I've
say.
never really seen the value in paying for any of that shit, you know?
Yeah. But what I was
mean,
going
if
to
there was
say,
value, I'd probably do it. Go ahead, I'm listening.
is that it's being offered in our personal room, our personal Discord at no delay. So to me, it's like, why not? And then that way you also don't even have to worry about finding a YouTube channel that might not be up, a certain day. It's just right here in the Discord, and it's amazing. And I thank Froggy for doing it. He even went out of his way to like set up a separate computer for it and everything. He's fucking, I don't even know what to do. I'm gonna come, visit under your desk for a little bit. If you let me know where you live. And you have to be under 45. I can't do older than 45. Sorry. And you have to not have any gray hair.
Since you guys confirmed that it's
I don't like
safe,
gray hair.
I feel better about it too.
I mean, I've been in there every day for the last like month. And he still hasn't come knocking.
Like, especially DT, I feel like he really knows his shit on like what not to fucking do. As he's like,
you saying I don't?
So does Tim.
I think you do, but I mean, he actually
Thomas
worked
too.
in that industry
We just all
at some
have different
point.
levels of IT stuff.
Yeah, but I think you were probably the highest level of IT in the room, from what
I don't know.
I've heard.
I think DT's
Didn't you
just very good at
literally work
Googling.
in that at some point?
What? Oh yeah, I did it for years. Yeah.
What's that?
I did it. I was in IT from '96 to 2001.
That's what I'm saying. I think you're the only person that worked in that field.
Yeah, and support, network support. Network support sucked back then.
Something just triggered for me.
I think Tim and I are pretty close. I may have a little bit more server network experience. That's probably about it.
Yeah, you do. I mean, I have some, but it's just from doing stuff personally, like for LAN events and stuff like that.
I did a little bit professionally, but the problem is it's all changed now. So I still have to like Google it and bring it back into my mind.
Yep. Yeah, I mean, if I ever run into something, I have the basic where now to know how to do it after Googling it. Because like if you don't know what you're doing at all and you just Google it and they start spitting these terms at you, you're going to be like, huh?
Oh, that too. And you got to watch out that they're not fucking things up.
Well, right. Yeah.
Yeah. Because I was, I used to run Linux all the time, 24/7, all until I started trading where I can't run Linux. And that shit, ugh. You start doing command line shit.
Big wins. What's up, my
your
guy?
machine up all the time.
Shit, I almost had a big loss.
Question: did you ever fix your network or your driver issue?
No, it hasn't happened for a while though.
I was just curious if the fresh install worked, because I was having some weird issues like that, and of course I have a 970, so I was upgrading all the time. Till it was a longer period of time. You have a 3070, which is newer, so you don't have multiple upgrades on top of each other.
I had something like that too, and the error was like driver something, and then I saw I had some updates for my drivers. I did those, and went away.
Yeah, well, that's true too. Mine was just very strange. It was a display driver, which is working with my memory, was really weird error.
That was mine. It was a driver memory error.
Well, that's
when I googled it.
Could be it depends on the memory. This was actually my system memory.
Oh, okay. Yeah, when I did the update, I mean, literally months it hasn't done it, so I figured that fixed it. But...
should always update at some time.
Yeah.
I don't always update day one.
Well, I had realized I had put some delay on all my updates, so I wasn't getting any.
I'm not excited to go to Windows 11. Ugh.
I've been using it, dude. It's no big deal. Oh, somebody's here. Oh, no, it's the dog.
Yeah, well, I run things a lot different, so.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, all I do is this, you know. I don't do anything else. Welp. Here we are. Nothing's happening. That's the frustrating part, man. Like, seems like after this time of the day, we just go to nothing every single day. Very little. Oh my god, this little dog just keeps growling at everything.
B. Wake up.
Sasha.
You missed ALLK.
Come here, Sasha.
It says I'm up $2 today. I am unrealized. Oh, it's $1.50. Or no, not unrealized. Realized $1.50 after commissions. It's a lot of work today for not a lot of anything.
Nothing.
Except I should be down 400, I guess. So there's
Yeah,
that.
I mean, there's that. Could be worse, huh? Could be worse.
Ah.
It's kind of been a shitty market, dude, to be honest. Utu was far and away my best trade, and that didn't. Oh, that actually did do way more than I thought it was going to do. What the fuck? How did I miss all this? Oh, that was when I was trading stupid PDD. Alright. So people are saying this has been a tough market for them, dude.
Yeah, it's definitely not easy.
It's not. To me, it's just not one of those. This is the time and era when you just try to stay alive. You know? And shit's like this, you just don't want to lose your shit done.
It's been a difficult market for a while. Just different reasons.
We've had some good weeks in the last.
I'm just saying as overall, since
Yeah, no, I concur. I mean,
Since
you had the big
COVID.
drop, then yeah.
since all the pops, just buy and go, like 2021. Had all the COVID confusion. Now we got all this fucking inflation, wars, stock confusion. At least
Yeah,
we're getting
love-
all the market cycles out of the way. We're going to learn them all within a couple years.
I love the backyard in this house, but the mosquitoes are fucking eating me at this house, which is the craziest shit ever. 'Cause I live in Vegas. We don't have fucking mosquitoes. Why does she have mosquitoes?
Do they have grass?
That's the thing. They have a lot of grass and they have a lot of
Yeah,
trees.
it's probably the grass. And do they have water, stagnant water around?
Well, they have a huge ass pool.
Not a pool.
Well, we have stagnant water then.
You're also not used to mosquitoes. See, here we're used to
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they suck.
them. They're everywhere.
Literally.
We have to spray
They suck your
during
blood.
spring, summer, fall. We have to spray for them every month.
Yeah, I don't spray my yard because I don't hang out my yard, but at the bar I'll spray the backyard every Friday, Thursday or Friday. And it doesn't even have any grass; it's all gravel. But it's so moist here; they hang out in the shades of the trees and shit. Then if you have any stagnant water, that's just a fucking breeding ground. And those mosquitoes will like your dog too.
Mama.
Oh yeah.
Come on, Arthur. Run away from the mosquitoes. Don't be out there.
Might not be a
The
bad
worst?
idea when you go back home and give your dog a bath.
The worst
I do that.
thing ever is when you see a mosquito inside the house right before you go to bed.
Oh god, yes.
You
I had
literally
it
can't
over
go to
the
bed.
weekend.
My
Flying around
first
my
bite
TV.
happened when I was sleeping.
Yeah, I had one flying around my TV. I was like, I haven't opened my door all day. How did a fucking mosquito get in here? And I had to kill it before I went to bed.
Yeah, you have to. You can't let that thing
Yeah.
roam around.
Especially if it's a female one, because those are the ones that buzz around your ear.
How do you check their sex? Do boys have penises and girls have vaginas?
Supposedly, the rumor, I've never checked it, is that the
Oh,
females
God.
will buzz around your ear to distract
Okay.
you so the males can bite you.
Oh,
Or, yeah, I think it's that way. I
the
forget.
females work as a distraction, like normal.
Yeah, or I'm pretty sure it was females, not the males. I don't remember. Fuck it. Doesn't matter. Yeah, we used to deal with a lot of mosquitoes in Erie, and all the boaters used to wear this Avon bath oil because it was a great mosquito repellent. My dad always used to laugh because it's like has a perfume smell. He said, "Yeah, it makes you smell like a woman." But you got to make sure you wash yourself before you go to the bar.
Snap went all the way back up. It came all the way back down. Look at pets, man. It's not $3 anymore. It's almost $5.
All right, boys and
Order
girls.
filled.
What I miss? What I miss? As a girl mosquitoes having a vagina and boy mosquitoes having a penis.
What I'm missing.
Oh. What, man? I was learning about how to tell a girl mosquito from a boy mosquito. And that's about it.
Definitely a boredom trade.
You got
A
anything up, Tim?
pretty big drop down. No, not really. I'm taking a very small boredom trade, but it's not even worth mentioning. Where you going?
I have no clue what even you would be taking
I'm
for a
going
boredom trade.
bowling.
The small boredom trade in Tesla.
No, it's an okay.
No.
Basically, just going with the impression that this made a really big move down. It came all the way down to that previous resistance sitting there at 490. It's not going back down to test it. Just seeing if it could make any kind of a bounce up. That's all. Just stopping out underneath that area. Risk
Gotcha.
reward trade. Kind of a 1-to-1 type deal. And like I said, I'm just bored. And I needed to find a way to end up red on this ticker overall anyway. I feel bad that it didn't take my money.
Trying to make it up.
Plus, if it doesn't work, I'll just Photoshop the red arrow from my sell off, and it'll make it look like that's just the last buy order from my short position.
Perfect.
I can go full guru on it. See, I might not even be here for it if it just keeps hovering around here, because I'm going bowling at 12:15.
They don't open till 2.
Wednesdays they do for the old people. They have league in the morning. It's the only day that they open up early. They actually open at 10 for the league, but it ends at 12. So we just go after they're done because they take up the whole center.
Tim hitting up the 60-year-olds.
Yeah, buddy. I actually have to ask them today. Put my name down for subbing. That way I can bowl for free every once in a while. It's actually how it all started back in the day, 12 years ago. How much am I actually risking here? I didn't even look. A 15-ish dollars? Yeah.
You getting stopped out there?
No, my stop's at 479. I didn't put it like right under 490.
Oh, okay.
The bubble map shows a lot of shares sitting between 480 and like 487. So if it gets through that, I'm obviously not interested. So that's why I put it there.
Order filled.
Mm. Probably much better trades to even attempt stuff like this on, but just kind of going with the theory. If it works, it works. If not, no biggie. Not risking that much. And after, I feel like I was gifted $400. I like spiked a 2-outer on the river. I'm not going to be disappointed losing 20 bucks after basically skating away with 400.
ELF, Echo Lima Foxtrot, mentioned as a Zach's home run investor buy. That's Echo Lima Foxtrot, ELF.
Wait, some zeros?
Oh no, pictures are out of the picnic I was at on Sunday.
Mm.
No. I'm getting ready to end it because of what are you
Jack ever come back?
Oh, I'm back.
Oh, there he is.
I actually had my
Who's looking at Jaggy?
nothing. How about you?
Nothing.
Come on, Jaggy, find us something. I need to make my money back.
Give it a shot.
Slow mo, man. I think we had a ton of people in the room today.
You?
Just looks like a decent bunch.
Oh, we do.
Yes, we added Dave.
Yeah.
Market Frog now has 2. And then all of us are here.
Yellow K again?
I think Tim's long it.
Oh, yep, he is.
You got me all excited, Jag.
LABP, Landos Biopharma, received notice of allowance for U.S. patent.
Well, I heard you say
ligands to treat many conditions,
ALK
including
again,
Alzheimer's and
like it was
Parkinson's.
going. So I ran
Alpha
back
Bravo
in.
pop-up.
But I guess you had just looked at my screen.
In ALK again.
Yeah, I didn't hear the Tim's in part. I'm like a scanner. I was just listening to keywords.
That's funny.
LABP halted, 335K, super low volume so far.
Alright, I'm going to warm my lunch since I'm feeling nauseous.
I've had a good day.
LABP halted now on a circuit breaker. Lima Alpha Bravo pop-up.
My feelings are really hurt, bro.
ALK.
Yeah.
Red bell pepper into small.
It really hurt my feelings.
This seasoned rice and chicken time. I decided that the ingredients I am in broth. If you don't care for it's rice and I didn't have just seasoned chicken with a dash of oregano.
Shares of
onion
Landos
powder,
Biopharma halted at the highs of
chicken. I brought the
$1.02,
chicken over to the
31%.
slow cooker. I added it right in there, and this is going to cook on low for about 4 to 5 hours or until your chicken.
Green trade.
Yeah. LABP.
The sad part, it's not a huge loss, bro. It's like an eighth of a max trade loss. It just it just hurts.
It didn't even need to be there at all. Yeah. How do you plan for those? You never know what our buying power is until.
Yeah, you can.
Clicking the button.
You advertising one thing, but in the background you're doing another thing.
Yep.
But and I say a larger account. If I traded the same way that I'm trading right now, right, which is a percentage of my account, I just would be in a lot more shares. It would still be a percentage. I would still run into buying power.
I've come to talk with you again.
Dicks!
So if I had 100,000 in my account right now, I wouldn't be starting this with 100 shares. I'd be starting a starter with 500.
And the same issues are going to be there when you get
the
up
same
to
issues are going to be there. So how are you ever going to get to that fucking $30,000 day that we want if you're going to run into this?
Well, I think you got to watch. I mean, see going forward. I think a lot of those are going to be on cheaper stocks like that. A lot of the buying power restrictions are going to be on the ones that are $5, $6, $4, moving too fast.
Don't you have somebody in your group that's on Guardian? Are they doing the same thing on the same stock?
Yeah. I think it's across the board, And then what's even worse is, from my interpretation of it, not only it's okay, random stock, we can pick it, they can also go off of your account. Personal, you could be different than I am because of your trading habits.
Oh, like we're gonna give Devin a little more buying power than Thomas because Thomas will keep adding to this or whatever.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, nice.
Fuck that shit.
That's what DTS say about that. Like, fuck that shit.
That's, I don't know if the right word is racist, but it sounds racist to me.
Racist against what, stocks?
Sounds like
No,
stockism.
they're gonna restrict your account or restrict my account, but not restrict yours.
Oh yeah, totally.
I don't think it's racist considering the fact that we're both white, but
that's what I said. I don't know if that's the right word.
It's racist against your trading style.
Yes.
they're biased against how you trade.
None of that in futures. You can do whatever the fuck you want.
Market Frog, I went to public school. I don't even know what that word means.
He said, I went to public school.
And I rode the short bus.
Ooh.
LABP resuming trade now following a circuit breaker haul off the highs now.
Something special about you.
Share spiking off of that patent news being circulated. That's Lima Alpha Bravo Papa.
All right, I needed a laugh. Thank you very much. I'm going to warm my lunch.
All right, man. There ain't nothing worth looking at, broskies. Jag came back and he hasn't even told me what stock to watch. Jag? Did he come back and leave again? Asshole. BRB. This is bullshit. Why is that guy even in the room? Somebody kick him out. I'm kicking him.
TELL Tellurian, the October 21 $4 call sweep. Tango Echo
Jag,
Lima
is that
Lima.
you?
TELL.
No, I was about to kick you out of the room.
Why?
I don't know, with your BRB bullshit, not telling me what to trade.
There's nothing to trade.
Oh, okay. All right, then you're forgiven.
Shares of
like
Tellurian
anything.
near the intraday high, $3.96, up about 5.5% for Tango Echo Lima Lima.
DELL is supposedly doing something. That's such bullshit.
Alt up for VE.
When this is what Charlie is mentioning, I know it's a bad day.
What was it?
L? DELL.
EELL?
T. Thomas Echo
L.
Lima Lima.
Yeah.
Like, tell me about this piece of shit chart.
Yeah, bye.
Tell me all about it. Sorry, Arthur, I didn't mean to step on your head, dude. I didn't know you were sitting under my feet.
Who here is good at math?
Supposedly. Huh?
Stupid math problem.
Why are you doing math problems?
I'm not. I'm trying to compress a file to 8 megabytes. That's 44 megabytes. I need to know how much percentage that is.
8 megabytes. You got to go down.
Like 20%?
It's like yeah, like probably like 19%, 18,
80%. Well, it's back. Wouldn't it be backwards?
Because you'd be backwards, so you'd have to shrink
so
it
80%
to 20%.
Yeah, let's look at 80.
I'll try 20% and see what happens.
It's 80 or 81%.
minutes later, it'll be done.
I think I need a bigger desk at the house. Arthur likes to hang out by my feet. And I kind of like him down there. This is kind of nice. You little squishy puppy down here. Ah, fuck. I'm so bored. Why does this keep happening day after day?
I just put dinner on.
Dinner?
Did you?
Bacon.
Yeah, crockpot.
Are we all invited?
It's got to get his
yeah.
duties done.
I'm on my way over.
Yeah, I did the dishes, and then I put the dinner in the crockpot. And
Gotta put a load of laundry in.
nah, I don't do the laundry.
That's woman's work.
Although I should, because she's been slacking on it.
You're not allowed to do laundry because you'll fuck up her clothes.
Well, yeah, that's part of it too. I remember when I used to try to help, I'd be like, is this a cold water only one? And she would just look at me. Like, I don't know.
I was like, now, warm wash, cold rinse. That's to do all my shit. I don't even have to separate whites because I don't have anything white anymore.
Racist.
Yeah, you go put a white new t-shirt with your white socks.
MGM Resorts announcing acceptance
White
of
t-shirt
public
with my white
tender for
socks.
Leo Vegas.
Red.
That's Michael
t-shirt,
Golf Michael.
White socks.
You get pink socks. What's the problem? No problem with that.
I wouldn't either. I don't care what color my socks are, actually.
This is like the first summer I've actually worn shorts like a lot because it's so fucking hot. And I think as I'm getting older, I think I hate the heat.
Yep.
Is this what happens?
Well, I didn't wear shorts for ages, and probably, I don't know, it's probably about 5 or 10 years ago. I said, fuck it. It's just too goddamn hot to be wearing pants.
Yeah, dude. I always wore pants, but now I'm like, it's 112 today. I can put pants on.
Even over the last couple of years, I majority wear like dark gray or black t-shirts, and I don't even wear those in the summer.
Like, it's just too hot.
Yeah, you go out in the sun, it's just like, ugh.
Yep, I feel you, dude. It's crazy. I think back to when I was a teenager, I had a car with no air. I'm like, how the fuck did I survive? I think I would just die.
I just didn't care.
You had no other choice. You didn't know the alternative.
Yeah, that's really what it is.
Yeah.
And it's like, you got this car and doesn't have air to deal with it.
Yeah, because even when I was growing up, we had one car for a very short time that had air conditioning. And my dad still didn't like to use it because it would leak on your feet on the passenger side. Well, it was like in the 80s and they didn't have air conditioning. You had to like add the option. So they would install it. And they fucked up the install but wouldn't cover it for some odd reason. Because they said it was correct. But he's like, why is it leaking all over my fucking floor? They eventually just got rid of the car, but I never had it.
I think that's the biggest issue.
You just didn't know the alternative.
Yeah, makes sense.
Because I grew up with no air conditioning until probably the 90s.
I'm gonna get out of here by about noon. I guess go to my house and hide out somewhere over there.
Are they supposed to be
That's where
done?
Janice. Supposedly, so by 3:30 they should be done, but Janice comes home today. I just want her to have her house to herself, so
Autofilled.
settle in. I'm probably gonna leave.
Just gotta play with their turtle.
Mm-hmm.
What I'm missing?
Really nothing.
S&P says U.S. tech to feel squeezed as economy
I think
weakens.
Tim must have been stopped out of ALLK.
I think so.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, yep.
When it went up through 5 and didn't get a big pop, I almost took it off there because I was like, oh, this is definitely just going to go back to the lows. But I was like, you know what? I'm just going to respect my stop. And I did, and I lost.
I did, and now I'm not.
If you shrink up your chart
After that 15-round fight and ended up green on the day, you just felt you needed to go give it back, right?
I did. I gave 20 of the 400 back. I'm okay with that.
And miss.
We got 380
so
to
you're
go.
looking at it that way. All right. I can. Okay, I'm with you.
I was looking to make more on it because I was sad that I didn't make more on it after the fact of what happened, but I can't help that this thing is literally not going to bounce at all.
Now you sound like your partner.
Yeah, I mean, I took a shot and I had a risk level at all times, so I knew where I was stopping out. Is what it is.
So those calculations reduced it from 44 meg to 17.
See, there you go.
20%? That's over 50%. Or
You
did
gotta
you
get-
change
I
the
wanted
calculation?
to reduce it to 20%.
Yeah, but
That's
still,
why
it went more than 50%.
It should have. I wanted to reduce it to 20% of its size.
Oh,
So that we're not over.
and DT, I don't. Y'all probably already know this, but I don't know why I took so long to tweak my graphics card and overclock it and undervolt it. Dude, my fucking temps dropped like on average 30.
All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here.
Yeah.
That's it for me. Ended
That
up
works on AMD
red.
cards.
I'm probably gonna end up red unless
The
something
gameplay
pops when I
is
get back
so
from bowling.
smooth, like fucking butter.
I will
It's like,
see you guys tomorrow.
why in
Until
the
then,
fuck did you wait
peace.
so long to do this?
I've never undervolted a card, but it's been a long time since I've had AMD.
I'll be right back in a second, guys.